This is how Parking Pass works at Crystal Lake Golf Villa 2 Incorporated. Any vehicle parked in our community between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. will need to be registered with Crystal Lake Golf Villa 2 Incorporated, your homeowners association, and www.my.parkingpass.com. On our website at www.clgvph2.com, you will find tutorials explaining how to register you and your vehicle. Abide by the rules of Crystal Lake Golf Villa 2 Incorporated, and you should have no problems with your vehicle parked on the grounds of Crystal Lake Golf Villa 2 Incorporated, your homeowners association. If a vehicle is parked on the grass or over a storm drain, that vehicle will be towed. If a vehicle is parked on the street between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m., that vehicle will be towed. If a vehicle is parked in a driveway, considered limited common ground, between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. with no registration with Crystal Lake Golf Villa 2 Incorporated and www.my.parkingpass.com, or expired state-registered license plate, it will be immobilized with a boot. This is an owner-occupied community, meaning owners of the home and their guests may park here between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. All others will be booted or towed at the owner's expense. If a vehicle is immobilized with a boot, the owner should contact No Go Booting Incorporated at 561-305-2954. Make payment arrangements with No Go Booting, pay the charge of $80, and No Go Booting will send someone out to remove the boot within 30 minutes. If a vehicle is towed, the owner should contact Accurate Tow Corp at 954-448-0733 at 1540 Northwest 26th Street, Pompano Beach, Florida 33060. Make payment arrangements with Accurate Tow Corp. With the key to the vehicle and proper ID, be prepared to pay $167 to retrieve your vehicle within 24 hours. After 24 hours, there will be a storage and administration fee of about $65 added. If the vehicle is left in the tow yard for more than 48 hours, be prepared to pay an additional $30 storage fee per day. Save the money. Don't get towed or booted in our community. The Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 Board of Directors is committed to cleaning up our community. We have been far too lenient for too long. It's the responsibility of the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 Board of Directors to enforce the rules of our community.